Soaring Through English, Mastering the Preposition Over. Hello, English explorers. Today, we're going to take a journey over the intricacies of the English language. Specifically, we'll be focusing on the preposition over and how it's used to indicate direction. Buckle up and get ready for an exciting learning adventure. To begin with, let's get our definitions straight. In English, over can be used in many contexts, but when we're talking about direction, it generally means moving or being in a position above something and going from one side to the other. For example, the bird flew over the house, or she jumped over the puddle. Now that we understand the basic definition, let's move on to some practical examples. 1. I walked over the bridge to get to the other side of the river. Here, over is used to show movement across the bridge, which is above the river. 2. The sun is over the mountains. In this sentence, over indicates a position higher than the mountains. Remember, over suggests not just being above, but also crossing from one side to another. It's important to differentiate over from other similar prepositions, like above. While above also refers to a position higher than something else, it doesn't necessarily imply movement or crossing. For instance, the airplane is flying over the city implies the airplane is moving across the city, while the airplane is above the city only tells us about its current position. Now, let's test your understanding with a quick exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition over, under, above, below. 1. The cat jumped the table. 2. The helicopter is flying the forest. 3. The picture hangs my bed. Share your answers in the comments section and we'll discuss the correct responses in our next video. And that's it for today, folks. We hope you've gained a better understanding of how to use the preposition over to indicate direction. Remember, learning a language is like building a bridge over a river. It's all about making connections from one point to another. Keep practicing, and you'll be soaring over any language hurdles in no time. Until next time, keep exploring and happy learning.